Let me introduce myself. My name is Jose Michael with NPM 2312077. I will explain about basic concept of algorithms. The algorithm was first coined by Abu Ja'far Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi in a book entitled Al-Jabar wa al-Muqablah. Musa al-Khwarizmi in a book titled Al-Jabar wa al-Muqablah, where he in the book revealed that algorithm can consist of two words, namely algorithm and arithmetic, which in programming is powerfully way that contain a series of steps that are arranged accurately or arithmetically. Steps arranged accurately or currently made with the help of computer to solve a problem. Computer to solve a problem. Algorithm can be utilized in any programming because writing and creating. Algorithm is usually independent of any programming language. Programming language algorithm is writing notation can be translated any programming language into various programming language. The algorithm is the same if the output is the same. Some definition of algorithms put forward by expert, namely 1. Algorithm is infinite sequence of my commonly used in the solving a problem by direction. Used in the solving problem by direction which very clearly defined by Seymour Leaves such PhD. 2. Algorithm is description of the steps that obtaining a successful result according to David Bolton. 3. Algorithm is something that very often encountered to be able to easily understood to obtain decision that define how to compute data for desired result. Define how to compute data for desired result proposed by Andrei Andreevich Markov. 4. An algorithm is a set of the rules that sets a sequence of operations that are more effective in a very limited time proposed by Stone and Knott. 5. Algorithm is a set of rules to tell system how to act over time according Minsky. How to act from time to time according to Minsky. From all the opinion of the expert above, it can be considered that decision made to solve a problem with a logical sequence is an algorithm. Logical sequence is an algorithm. The results that are not correct or because the steps used are wrong. To make it easier for us to know the meaning of the algorithm can be exemplified with a problem of exchange the consent of container. Namely contains A and B. There are two containers, namely containers A and container B. Container A is filled with water tea, while container B is filled with coffee water. In exchange, the content of the container in order to get container A, which was originally filled with full tea water, turns into coffee water, as well as in container B, which is filled with tea water, coffee, as well as in container B, which was originally filled with coffee to be filled with water tea. Algorithm requirements. 1. In order to get correct and high accuracy result, it must have a high level of reliability, high level of confidence. 2. Perform a process efficiently. 3. Frequency of calculation and processing is prepared quickly and in shortest possible time. 4. Has a general nature. 5. The problem that is solved is not only problem but problem that are solved more. 6. Can be expanded and can be developed. 7. A problem that has been solved must be extended further and developed based on excitement requirement. Developed based on exciting requirement. 8. Can be easily understood. Characteristic of algorithms. A. In solving a problem, the algorithm must have the right way or logic. B. The resulting output must be appropriate and correct for a very short period of time. Short there. C. In writing the algorithms, the language must be standardized and sequenced so as not to cause double meanings, and neat so as not to cause double meaning. D. Algorithm can be implemented as a programming language if they are written in an easy to understand with a format that easy to understand. E. Required operating must be clear defined. F. Algorithm problem will be solved if some process has been done. So there are 5 important characteristics according to Donald E. Nutt, namely 1. Limitation finiteness. The limitation is an algorithm that will complete if it has made several process, made some process. 2. Defineness. Definer is that all the ways of the algorithm must be explained precisely and not double meaning. 3. Input algorithm. Have 0 or more value of some input data. 4. Output algorithms. Have 0 or more value of some of the output data. 5. Effectiveness. Algorithm step must be effective and done in reasonable time. Basic structure of algorithms. Algorithms have 3 basic structures, namely sequencing, selecting, and repetition. The structure from the building blocks of an algorithm. The explanation of the 3 structures, namely a sequence. Sequence is a directive that is done must be accordance with the order in which it is written. Writing is sequence. Sequence consists of one of more direction that will be worked on after all previous directives have been complete. Thus, the correct sequence of directive products the final result of algorithm. And if writing is not in order, then the final result of the algorithm will also change. B. Selection structure or condition selector. In the completion of this condition, every line of the program is not complete. It can be done if a program has full condition only. A testing process to make decision whether or not a line is process is program selection structure. Is process or not is program selection structure. Testing this program is made to choose one of several alternatives. C. Repetition. Repetition commonly called loop and loop body is some part of algorithm that repeat or action. Repeated parts of algorithm or action computer never get tired of doing something and is become one of the advantage of computer system. That's all I can explain.